Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share files with Dropbox. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Dropbox. So the first method is you simply need to click here copy link, and you have the link and you simply need to share that. And the other method is you simply need to open that file and click on share, and here you can see that share this file. So you simply need to click on settings, and if you want anyone with the link, only people who have invited, so you can change that settings from here. So once you've done that settings, then you simply need to click on copy link, and now you are able to share that link with anyone that you want to share. So this is the process how you can share files with Dropbox. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.